To get a promo code for Uber, start by checking the official Uber website or mobile app for any available promotions. Uber often offers limited-time discounts and promo codes to new and existing users, so it is worth checking the website or app regularly for new offers. Another way to get a promo code is to refer friends to Uber. When you refer a friend to Uber, you will both receive a promo code for a discount on your next ride. To refer a friend, open the Uber app and tap on the menu icon. Then select Free Rides and follow the prompts to send an invite to your friend. You can also get promo codes by following Uber on social media. Uber often posts promo codes and special offers on their social media accounts, so it is worth following them on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram to stay up to date with the latest deals. In addition, you can search online for Uber promo codes. There are many websites that specialize in offering promo codes and discounts for Uber and other ride-sharing services. Just be sure to only use promo codes from reputable websites to avoid any scams or fake codes. When using a promo code, make sure to enter it correctly in the Uber app. To enter a promo code, open the app and tap on the menu icon. Then select Payment and scroll down to the promo code section. Enter the code and tap Apply to receive your discount. It is also worth noting that promo codes can have certain restrictions and limitations, such as expiration dates and limited use. Be sure to read the terms and conditions of the promo code before using it to ensure you understand any restrictions that may apply. By following these steps and taking advantage of the available promo codes, you can save money on your Uber rides and enjoy a more affordable and convenient transportation experience.